Ribbit, 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 ribbit. That's the sound a frog makes. Why is Piggy making a frog sound? Ribbit, ribbit. Oh, I'm a frog. What he said. Oh, interesting. Let's check it out, guys. Ready? I'm a frog. Elephant's not so sure. Ribbit! What's that? Thinks elephant. That's a strange sound. Boing! Ribbit! Wow, big jump. Piggy? Ribbit! 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 Wow, jumping all over like a frog. What are you doing, Piggy? I'm a frog. You are a frog? Yes. Oh, I did not know that. Molazzo. I was sure you were a pig. You look like a pig. And your name is Piggy. I was a pig. Now I am a frog. Ribbit! Ribbit, ribbit. Oh. You learn something new every day. When did you become a frog? About 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago. 5분 전에? Whoa! 5 minutes ago, she was a pig. Now she is a frog. Oh, my guess range. Ribbit. What if I become a frog? Hop, boing. Hopping all day. Eating flies. Ribbit! Happy frog. Ah! I do not want to be a frog. He does not want to be a frog. It is okay, Gerald. It is pretend. Pretend? Just imagine thinking. It is the end? No, Gerald. Pretend. I am pretending. 상상하는 거? What is pretending? Pretending is when you act like something you are not. Oh, so she's not a frog, but she's acting like a frog. Wow. And you can just do that? You can just go out and pretend to be something you are not? Sure, everyone pretends. Even grown-up people? All the time. Oh, you really do learn something new every day. Do you want to try it, Gerald? Do you want to pretend to be a frog? Ribbit! I cannot. Yes, you can. Ribbit! No, I can't. Yes, you can. No, I can't. Yes, you can. No, I can't. Yes, you can. No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. No, I can't. No, I can't. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. No, I can't. Gerald! Why can't you pretend to be a frog? Why not? Because I am a cow. Oh, moo. Love. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Boing. Moo. Oh, wow. Piggy's a cow. Elephant's a cow. Piggy's a frog. Ribbit, moo. Oh. Pigeon, woof, woof. Pigeon's pretending to be a dog. Wow.